One sunny morning, a boy named Ali was playing in his backyard. He loved adventures and dreamed of finding treasure. While digging in the dirt, his shovel hit something hard. Clink, he heard. Ali's eyes grew wide with excitement. He carefully brushed away the soil and found an old, rusty box. It looked very old and mysterious. Ali called his sister Sarah, and together they opened the box slowly. Inside, they found shiny coins, a small golden key, and a faded map. The map showed their backyard with a big X near the mango tree. "There is more treasure," Sarah said happily. Ali and Sara ran to the mango tree and started digging again. After a few minutes, they found a small wooden chest. Inside the chest were colorful stones, old jewelry, and a note. The note said, "True treasure is the joy of discovery and sharing." Ali and Sara smiled. They shared their treasure with their family and felt very happy. From that day, they knew that adventure could be found right at home if you just look carefully and believe.